Hey, it's Hillyn at 5-Minute Drummer. Awesome, you can take 5 today. This lesson is about drum pads, step 2 to your journey of becoming a fantastic drummer. There are many different types of drum pads and many different sizes. And what you're probably wondering is, do I really need one? Well, the answer is, yeah, you do. Because one, it saves your hearing from banging on the snare drum over and over and over again. It's quiet. It's got a great bounce, so it's excellent for working your wrists, and also it's portable. So you can take it anywhere. If you're on vacation, if you're at work, on your break, at school, on your break, anywhere you go, you can take it with you. So I think it's really an essential when it comes to getting started as a drummer and always as a drummer. There are many different sizes. So you can get a nice little one like this that is great to throw in your backpack, a little 6-incher. You can get a 7-inch, 8-inch, a 10-inch, or a 12-inch. I prefer to take this one with me if I'm traveling somewhere. And I like this 12-inch that just sits on my snare drum. So the smaller the inches, the smaller the pad, the bigger the inches, the bigger the pad, and 12 is the biggest that I know that they make up. If you don't have one yet, but you still just want to get started, there are many other places that you can get started practicing on. And so you can play on a book, for example, not one that you don't like because it will leave dents, right? You can play on the carpet. You can play on a pillow. That's a little bit more tricky and advanced. But you can also just look for an object that's sort of rubbery, like the pads are, like it has something like this, like a mouse pad for your computer. Or even if you like to get your toenails done, you might have a pair of cheap flip-flops sitting around. And I found that they kind of have that same sort of consistency with a little bit of a thick, maybe quarter, maybe half-inch or inch so of that foamy rubber feel. Probably need to put something on top of it, but you can sort of get yourself started on something like that, and then at least while you're waiting for your drum pad to get in, you can get to work practicing. So basically, yes, you need a pad. You should have your sticks already from the last lesson, and what size pad really just depends on your preference and needs. And then moving forward, go to the next lesson so you can learn, now that you have your pad and your sticks, how do you just get started building your technique and getting ready to really kill it on the drums. So hope you enjoyed that lesson. Thanks for taking 5 today. I'll see you at the next lesson, and take care. Bye now.